Hello guys, this is the second pre-assembled beam and column for pipe rack. So we will see this guy. This is another rigger, different rigger from the first one. So we will try this rigger, how he will give me a signal properly. So the rigger now is giving me a signal. Wire up before he give me swing also to the left. Now only wire up. Wire up, voice up. So we will compare this guys. From the previous one, the rigger was from Pakistan. Now this time the rigger is from India. So we will compare their performance, how they will give me a proper signal. Wire up and swing to the left. Wire up. I give him a signal that we need to boom up. So from this, he's already, you see, I can see the boom. He give me boom up, voice down. So from there, he's already, so from there, this rigger is already lost. The previous one is the winner because this rigger didn't see the center of gravity of the load. So I am the one recommending him to keep the center of gravity of the load, and the hook must be the same. So the previous one is the winner. This rigging activity again. Finally, we're going to erect now. Totally hung now. So ready guys, there.